Hi, I'm Sonia Andrashko. I'm an independent sales consultant with Norwex. I'd like to talk with you a little bit today about cleaning with microfiber and how cleaning with Norwex microfiber makes your cleaning easier and more effective. When you clean with a cotton cloth, you typically just kind of spread things around and move it around. Cotton doesn't have the ability to pick things up and hang on to it like microfiber does. If you see my other videos, I've explained how microfiber does pick up and hang on to things deep within the cloth. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration today. I have a piece of raw chicken. Chicken we know is full of protein and icky stuff. I'm going to wipe this chicken on my countertop, and then I'm going to take my microfiber cloth, wet it just with water. I'm not using any chemicals or any other cleaners. I'm going to wet my cloth well and rinse it out, squeeze it out. I don't care if my water is hot or cold necessarily when I'm starting my cleaning job, because I'm going to be using my cloth for so long it's going to get cooled off anyway. I've wiped the chicken down on the counter, and now I'm going to take my cloth. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to use the side of the cloth with the tag on so you know what I'm doing. And I'm going to wipe up the chicken stuff off the countertop. Now I have some little swab sticks that are used in the food service industry to detect if there are proteins left on a surface. The swab sticks, there's some liquid that will go into the end of the stick, and if the liquid turns purple or any shade other than green, it means that there is protein still left on the surface. If it is green, it means that it's clean. So remember, purple, protein, green, clean. I'm just going to come back over to my area where I rubbed the chicken, and I'm going to swab this area with my swab. There is some liquid in here that tests the swab. I'm going to break that apart, shake it up good, and you can see that it is green. And if you remember, green is clean. So I'm going to come back over here, take my same cloth with the tag on it, and I'm going to wipe over here on the surface of my counter and see if I can spread some of the chicken I just wiped up on this cloth over here onto the countertop. I'm going to take my same swab the area I just wiped the cloth on, stick it back in the liquid, shake it back up, and once again you can see that it stayed green. Now I'm going to take my actual cloth, the side with the tag on it, and swab the cloth and put it back in the liquid. Shake it up again, and you can see that it's still green. So now, by now, you're wondering, is that stick ever going to turn purple? Is there really ever any protein? I'm going to prove that the swab does pick up protein. I'm going to wipe it directly on the chicken and see what kind of protein we can get off the chicken. Now put it in the swab stick, shake it up in the liquid, and now you can see that it did turn purple. So when you clean with microfiber, with Norwex microfiber, what that means is, as you're cleaning the surface, you're wiping up all the protein, the bacteria, the dirt, and the grime, and it's going deep within the cloth, and the cloth is hanging onto it. At Norwex, we like to think that the meaning of clean is removing all residual and dirt off a counter and not leaving anything there. The only thing I used on my cloth was water. If there's any water, it evaporates and it's clean. Thanks a lot. See you next time.